Welcome back to Leah's Side Fun, and today we are going to be doing another training video. But as you can see, we have a little guest in the train. You'll see him later in the video. But as you can see, we have got dominoes in the track, and so we make it. And we also have got some Lego figures here. Some Lego figures here. My nan set them up for me. And we've got dominoes around the track, some more than others because they are lighter. So let's hop straight into the video. Right. Oh, well, that's not a good start, is it? Oh, and fight. Oh, derail. Oh, another derail. And through. Come on. I have to go back and forwards. Oh, it's completely derailed. Brenda, do you want to help with this? But you'll be on camera.
Do you know what you want to do? You know where you put it in the middle? Just set them off a little bit.
No, Grandad, they got to leave. Guys, it came off the track.
You don't want to do that,
Right.
Leo, because it's...
Ready?
You end up no engine.
Chicken. So guys, we are going to take the carriages off. So it's just smooth sailing with the one engine. Round easily. Oh, it's fell off again. Nanny, do you want to have your hand ready to catch it if it goes again?
Move those.
Yeah, we'll move the dominoes just this once. The train. We'll just... Full power. Oh! 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 Right, guys, we've got to
Turn it down, it's still on, isn't it?
Right, once more to clear everything up, and then we'll go on the inner circle. Oh, inner circle time. Ploughing through them with ease, like nothing is. Oh! Huh?
Points.
Other one.
Points. You've got to switch the points over to the
It's
right
run out.
track.
No, it's already in.
You've got it.
Look, it's not running.
Just that one first.
So what's on that track?
Must
But
be
these
the
points go on to that. So put on this one, remember?
yeah, before the points, you need to set it up.
Sorry, guys.
That's what I'm doing there. Hang on.
Yeah.
Make sure I got them right.
Yeah, they are.
That's not. No, that's that. That's it.
Because
Go on.
that's going to come onto
Yeah,
the...
yeah, go on then. That's
Yeah.
make the connection.
Right. So guys, while the train's going on the inner track, we will be setting up the outer track. So... It doesn't like the inner track going, does it? So guys, the train will be going around the outer track. while you're working on in the track. So we're going to put more dominoes on. I don't think I've posted any of the other train track videos on YouTube yet.
Have to do those then.
Yeah. I've sent them to my phone. I don't think I've downloaded them yet.
Oh. You can watch them on the telly.
Yeah. Because I can upload them now if I want. But it's filming. We can watch this one after. Hello, future self. And the last few. Great. The bricks are done. So now all we got to do. Hold on, let it go once more round. Change the points. And let it fly. Right, passed this first one easily. Builds up momentum, but got stuck. It will make it past the next one. I know it will. I have faith in this little train. Oh, derail.
That won't go through those, Leo.
How do you know? You gotta try.
Burn the engine out.
Right, we'll just reset them. Guys, we'll just reset them for a minute. So it made it past this one, so we'll keep this one as a 4. A 5, so, or 4 base. But then we'll keep the second one as like a 3 base. 2 base, 2 on top. And then we'll just have the rest as 2 base. Here it comes. We don't want it on this track yet. So. Now we want the point. So it's going around. Right. Oh, past a bit with ease. Come on. Oh. Can it? No. I put minifigures on them. What about the last ones? Can you straighten that one up a bit, please? I think it's just that curve.
Oh.
Yeah, can we like move that yellow one? Just one. Oh, bye car! Oh, stuck on Spider-Man. It's not fully off the track yet.
train's not on the track.
Don't think it can push round. We'll go past Kai's dead body. Oh, the snake's gone.
Oh, stop.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna work, guys.
I think can they go in the train? In the back of the train?
Oh, oops. Not it, please.
It's like a bomb site.
Mhm. Yeah, it's this area. It's this area because the bricks can't go any further, so.
Mm. Train's off.
We'll try once more. Oh, no, that was my fault.
What point's wrong if it's doing that? Leo?
No, I haven't. Bye, guys.